What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I had an intro recorded yesterday of me putting on these graphics, and I cleared out my SD card this morning just to start fresh on a new video. I always clear my footage after every video, so I cleared the intro out. It was pretty dope, but now it's gone. Today's the day when we rip the little 85. I got it broke in already. Did like an hour of just putting around yesterday. She's broke in, ready to rip. The compression is good. Good compression for a little 85. I didn't know it was going to be that much. Just put the top end in it to get it back running and throw the graphics on it so it didn't look all stock. You know, it had a little bit of mean look to it, and those graphics really, really made this bike stand out. And the wheels and everything just look sick. I don't know. I just love the way this little 85 looks, honestly. And I'd probably get some frame guards right there. But yeah, guys, just let me know down in the comments what you think for a $650 bike. I mean, for a $650 Yz85 2006, and with all the stuff that, the wheels make any bike look good. I just love the way it looks, and just stands out, brings out the black and everything else, and just makes it look sick. So yeah, guys, I'm ready to rip this thing. Let's get the GoPro, throw it on. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that now, guys. Hit that notification bell so you get updated. Leave a like, show me some support. Comment down below saying I love your videos. Maybe follow me on Instagram if you want to be, updated, behind the scenes type stuff. And I post pictures of my bike on there. And my Snapchat, High Gear and Mex. Everything's High Gear and Mex. So yeah, you guys can go over there and follow me on all those. Let me run in and get the GoPro. And we're gonna get this baby warmed up, and we're gonna do some ripping. This bike is super light. I can pick it up all the way. It's pretty crazy. Super light little bike. First kick. Put new levers on it, brake and clutch, and the graphics, top end. That's all I've done to the bike, and she's pretty mint. She probably needs a carb clean. She bogs a little bit on takeoff, but when the power band kicks in, it's pretty insane. I've never felt a power band like this on an 85. I've only owned one 85, and it was an RM 85, and the power band was nothing like this. Holy crap, that power band! This is a mean little 85. Holy. That thing is like, whew. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, these tires are pretty bald, and it's just moving all back and forth. That power band's insane. But if you guys can hear the bog, I'm sure you can. Let me know down in the comments if you think it's the carburetor. Pretty sure it's the carburetor, because when it's opened up, it opens up and it's smooth. But when you're getting into the power band, not so smooth, it bogs a little bit. So let me know what you guys think. See, and then the power band kicks in. It might just be like this. I'm pretty sure it's not. Pretty sure it's something with the carburetor. only time I'm gonna take this baby on the road. And I didn't even open it up on the road, so.
Hard to feel the gears. I can't really feel the gears switching with these boots on. That's why if it sounds a little weird when I'm switching gears, it's because I just can't get my foot. I can't feel the shifter at all. I just have to shift. Last time I was on 85 was yours, and
The RM85, way back.
Yeah, way back. First start of his YouTube,
Yeah.
your YouTube. But from what y'all saw, I was with him when he got this bike, and I just knew because it ran when he got it, but just barely. But this bike is solid now.
Yes.
He got a good deal in it.
That power band, power band kicks in hard.
Weird. Have you?
I haven't saw it. Well, yeah, they saw it yesterday, first test ride.
Yeah. So y'all see it. As you see it, just kind of like. And then
Just
it's
like
there,
minutes,
it's crazy.
it's hard all of a sudden.
The first time I rode it, I was like, is this all it's got?
And I was about to tell him, open it up, dude. He ain't even opening it up.
And I mean, I was like just wide open with it. And then it just kicked in.